Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Here today we are going to be installing my rear window diffuser. I'm just checking the temperature just to make sure the glass is hot enough so that the 3M tape adheres. Also, just a quick test fit, make sure everything is lined up perfectly. Everything looks good, so now it's time to get started. Right here, I'm just using some rubbing alcohol just to make sure everything is clean and that the tape adheres to the diffuser. Also checking the temperature on the back of it. I don't want it to be too cool, so I just use the heating gun just to make sure that it's extra sticky. And I did go with the thicker of the 3M tapes. They do have, from what I've seen, only two sizes, but I went with the thicker one because I didn't want several strips. I just wanted one thick strip just so I know that it's going to stick and that, yeah, the thing will last through rain, car washes, things like that. You'll notice also that this is one long strip I did not cut in between. The reason why I did not do that is because I didn't want any water to seep through down, in case it rains or, like I said, if I'm washing the car. I didn't want any water to get in there. And that's it. Now everything just comes down to lining it up. Keep in mind, once you do have it lined up, I do recommend that you take just a little bit, you peel off the 3M sticker cover just a little bit, not all the way, so that way if you do need to realign it, it's not just stuck all the way on there. So you just pull just a little bit of the sleeve off. And once you have it lined up the way you want to, you slowly pull these, you'll start to pull the sticker off. And as you're pulling that sticker off, press down and you'll notice that it will begin to adhere. Just keep it lined up. And then just go around and push down and let that bad boy sit, and you wipe it down. And you're good to go, man. That lined up pretty nice too. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys.